let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz Gold Star level routine with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. And now let's look at same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold, then we achieve promenade position, preparation step, and we start with open natural turn from promenade position. We continue with chasse roll to right. From here we dance back whisk and wing. Now open telemark and big top. Then traveling contra check to promenade position, and from here running cross chasse from promenade position. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, we achieve promenade, and we dance open natural turn into corner. Around corner we dance chasse roll to right, then back whisk, and we move wing to center, then open telemark, which we finish diagonally to center, big top in same direction, and traveling contra check we move diagonally to wall, and in same direction we move running cross chasse. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.